if I tell you you don't have to be famous anymore to have your own soundboard? Come check out my stream deck from Elgato. Here's all the stuff I've been making, you'll see it on stream. But right now I want to tell you about Nightbot's soundboard. Of course there's the JP Maximus one, we'll get to that eventually once it's finished. But let's talk about Nightbot's. Hang on, let's get back here. Look at this, guys, this is pretty cool, right? This looks hilarious. Let's hear what some of these sound like.
Put up your white flag. What's he gonna do?
Fucking piece of shit! When's the last time I lied to you, motherfucker?
Come on, Mexican. Oh, what happened? Fucking Mexican piece of shit. It's alright, this is all the stuff that your mum gave you money for because she doesn't want you anywhere around her. Take this and go away. How many times have you heard that in your life? Shove it up your ass. What's that little fucking punk gonna do? Oh, they're very gay together. Very, very gay together. Osmo would suck him all night if that's what he wanted. He would lay down for him, no worries. Bend over and touch your toes, bitch. That's all you can do. You try and get clout off other people by saying how bad they are. Look in the mirror, you fucking dickhead. Black bitch.
I am not a liar. I do not be dishonest. Ever. Fucking ever. I never lie, you cunt. Never.
Well, as you can see, this soundboard's pretty full featured, and of course, see some of the logos I did on here. Of course, nothing's officially perfect, but I think this is pretty cool. If you guys want me to show you guys how to make your own like this, of course, there's some animation going on. As you can see, it's not boring. It's not just a static image or anything. It's kind of more interesting. I think that makes it more fun. And of course, everything's got its own symbol, so it just makes it all that much better. But alright guys, now it's your chance. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Is this soundboard cool or what? Tell me, is Nightbot not the best? He is so funny. Anyways guys, until next time, it's been Gamer Today.